force your way into my scheme of things. You say we're growing heart and soul. In this age of grand illusion, you walked into my life out of my dreams. Sweet babe, you're born once again for me. Sweet babe, you're born once again for me. Oh, sweet babe, I call you babe, you're born once again for me. Just because I believe, don't mean I don't think as well. Don't have to question everything in heaven or hell. Lord, I kneel and offer you my word on the way. And I am trying hard to fit among your scheme of things. It's safer than a strange land, but I still care for myself. And I don't stand in my own light. Lord, my word flies like a word on a wing. My prayer flies like a word on a wing. Does my prayer fit in with your scheme of things? This age of grand illusion, you walked into my life out of my dreams. Sweet baby, you're born once again for me. Just as long as I can see you, never stop this vision